first hollow concrete block was designed in 1890 by Harmon S. Palmer. This design has been used up to this date. Hollow blocks since then came out with different shapes and design, and the most common material used in house construction. In this slide, it shows how the common hollow block is being used in house construction. Laborer 1 to mix and deliver cement mortar, Laborer 2 to lift and deliver CHB to working area, and we have a skilled mason that aligns and lays CHB as per approved plan. Curing of the pressed cement mortar is required before the next top layer is placed, and the completed walls need to cure before plastering can be done. The manufacturing of the common hollow blocks was fast, but to use it is time-consuming and needs skilled masons for alignment. Our population is growing at a rate of 1.58% or 1.8 million increase from 2018. Philippine housing backlog is projected to reach 6.7 million by the year 2022. Philippines is visited by typhoons yearly, and those with light materials housing are normally being damaged during these strong typhoons. With limited resources and funding, there is a need for decent, affordable, and resilient housing material. The housing sector also provides employment for semi-skilled persons. If we apply the dry stacking, interlocking wall construction method, the walls we build today, we can reuse or transfer. I believe we can do improvements on the time to build a house with the introduction of dry stacking, interlocking building blocks. In this slide, we are showing the prototype Manila block with the 8 inches high on the table and the 4 inches being placed on the top. These are the two Manila block sizes that will be manufactured. I received questions regarding the connectivity of the dry stacking. Since we are not using cement mortar for banding, we are utilizing the construction joint. If you can notice on this video, even when we put the walls on a slant, it does not disconnect or the construction joint is holding, even if we shake it. Vertical and horizontal steel reinforcement, as per approved design, will still be used in the house construction. If you can notice, the Manila block has a horizontal groove along the construction joint that allows the placement of horizontal bars without distorting the alignment of the blocks being placed on top of each other. During the house construction, ManilaBlock can be a direct replacement to the common hollow block. If you can notice from this slide, we are presenting that it is easy to build walls with the use of the ManilaBlock. We can relieve the bayanihan wherein the house can be transferred from one location to another. But this time, we dismantled the house and put it in a truck. Single-use plastic that is common cause of the flooding. We can use it as a raw material in the building of ManilaBlock. Even those plastic that is collected in the coastal area can be recycled and turned into a high-value material such as the ManilaBlock. ManilaBlock, decent, affordable, resilient housing for every Filipino.